30 years in show business, I've done a lot of, actually my first movie, Nakagapos na Puso with Sharon Cuneta. So it's about music. So she was my trainer. Siya yung aking, nagturo sa akin kung paano kumanta. So talagang marami pa. Like yung may isang pangarap. May isang pangarap. So talagang, hindi to first time na music inclined.
So kumbaga, meron na pong certain familiarity and medyo mas madali na po ba sa inyo gumawa ng mga ganitong type ng soap, yung may music na
Oo, because I really can relate to my role. Kasi ako rin naman naging aspiring singer din ako eh. I've tried, I've done several, hindi naman ako nag-audition talaga, pinagpala lang ako, nabigla na lang ako. Nung nagsasumali ako sa Cebu Pop Music Festival, biglang nanalo agad ako ng grand prize. And from there, doon na nag-start ang lahat. But I've gone through a lot of talagang marami akong pinagdaanan sa buhay.
Mars, what can you say
pagdating sa music?
What can you say about the love team of Janela and Bill?
Ay, ang kilig. Tingnan mo, kilig ako sa kanila. Super kilig ako because I see a chemistry. Mapapanood niyo yan kapag nag-start na talaga yung kanilang getting to know each other. And I've seen them together in Born For You, sa Japan taping na parang, uy, kinikilig silang dalawa. Parang, so kami, kinikilig din kami sa kanila. So, we're really hoping and praying that things will just fall into place even sa kanilang dalawa. I mean, in their relationship, I'm talking about that.